What's up, Chooch? What's up, Donald? Finn? Chooch? Damon? Spiritual? What's up, brother? Weekend was good, bro. Weekend was good. I enjoyed the time off. I did some back testing. Can't complain about the weekend. It was good. What's up, Camille? What's up, X? Sharma? Dragon? What's up, brothers? Announcement in the Discord that we are live and we need to make a move on this eval. So we might up the risk a little bit. Hey, Euro USD. Can you predict Nasdaq? I will be trading Nasdaq today. Yeah. What is the currency pair? This is Euro. I'm looking at Euro right now, but I'm not trading Euro today. I was just checking out some things. AMB is up pre-market. Damn, everything's up pre-market. I think we might have missed our move. Just gonna have to wait for another setup. All right. Let me just post in the Discord that I'm live quickly. What do I think of news today? Not much. Which market dumped? Euro. I'll cover bias, guys. Just give me a sec. Okay, yo, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? How do you stream TikTok and YouTube at the same time? I just set up the two streams. What are we up to? We are day trading NASDAQ. Seems institutions open earlier. Volatility you're talking about? Okay, daily chart bias. Originally, I was looking for longs towards the daily SIBI. That's what I told the Discord yesterday. Unfortunately, we already met the daily SIBI, so that complicates things a little bit. I think we could get a potential another leg higher, but we don't have to. This could be the high of the week, although I doubt it. It's possible. Is it a London reversal profile? No, it's not. It's Asia low of day. I don't like that. I don't like Asia low of day, but I'd probably look for some longs. SMT at the highs. Asking for a reversal here is it's a lot. It makes sense. It could reverse. It's possible to reverse. This is a lot of movement to reverse. But it's possible. There's a 4-hour imbalance here. Relative equal lows. Possible 4-hour imbalance here that we could aim for as a low-hanging fruit. So I guess I'd have to look for some shorts. Maybe this 4-hour imbalance we could look to aim for. So I'll mark it out like that. Yeah, I guess we could look to aim for something like that. The 1-hour imbalance, 1 hour. We've already traded into London's range and swept the sell side. Today's price action is going to be probably difficult. Difficult price action, I think we're going to get today. And this looks like a potential long for Euro as well. But I'll wait. February will be better for sure. You on the funded? Nope, I won't be on the funded till next week. Won't be on the funded till next week. NQ opportunities. Yeah, we could go up higher, but you explain the concept of first presentation fair value gap. It's just a fair value gap, the first one that forms after 9:30, often referenced to algorithmically. So you can use it in a narrative. Use it in your narrative. Shorts, I believe, for both NQ and ES. Well, it'll always be both. I'll look for some shorts too. Yeah, man, I guess the thing is about shorts is like there's no low-hanging fruit. If it's gonna dump, it's gonna take out Asia lows. Like I don't know what else to aim for. There's an hourly imbalance here. I'm just gonna have to wait and see. We left relative equal highs at the highs, but there's SMT there. But it's still relative equal highs, so it's possible we just continue higher. We touched a 4-hour an hourly imbalance. We have an hourly imbalance below. We swept the buy side there. We're inside of a 4-hour imbalance, as well as the daily bearish fair value gap. Like, yeah, we didn't manipulate below midnight open, which is unlikely. But that's a large move up. That's a really big reversal. It's a lot of reversal. What's more likely? This is all one manipulation leg to then just go lower? Or is this just a manual intervention where they're just going to keep sending price higher? Like, which one's more likely? It's basically what I'm trying to determine right now. Is this just a manual intervention where they just send price higher and higher and higher? Or is this truly one manipulation like overnight that they're just going to then run on all the liquidity? That's a narrative. What's up, Yoshi? I had a good weekend, brother. I don't care about ICT's Robin's Cup experience or whatever. Yeah, SMT at the highs. Bias? It's not clear. I like these lows, but order flow is so bullish, so I'm just gonna have to wait. I'm just gonna have to wait. I can't explain SMT, but my YouTube video on YouTube can. Is your CSD not a clean one? I mean, if I want to see a CSD, like I would view this all as distortion. So I'd look for, I guess, the 30-minute CISD. Like it's there. No, I mean, no, it's not really there. It would have to get below this level. It would have to get below, like it would have to close below here, in my opinion. It would. This is all distortion. Can you check your Discord DMs? Sure, but if it's a long message, then I can't. Can't read it right now. This is Nasdaq 15-minute charts. I mean, that wick is very bullish order flow, but it could just be setting up the manipulation. I would love to see a reversal. And the good thing about a reversal here is if it does happen, we don't have to enter on the reversal. We can easily enter like a second stage because then we know where it's going. So we'll just probably wait for some information. Don't feel like I'm missing out on anything. If it reverses and it starts dumping, I don't know. We make our plan. For now, I guess we could potentially move lower, take out those equal lows, put it in SMT there, then we'll see from there. Right now, I'm looking at these equal lows, or I guess this minor sell side that was just put in. We do have these equal highs, so let's just wait. Just wait. Equal highs there. The thing is, we don't need to go any higher on the daily. We already touched the daily SIBI. We could dump the rest of the week, realistically. Do I think that's going to happen? Probably not. Probably not, but it's possible. Like, we'll probably go higher than this. I would doubt that this is... We're probably going to go higher than this because it's very untypical for this to be the high of week in an NFP week. Like, I would expect it at least to maybe even take previous week high. So, I think we'll just wait. Well, maybe we'll just focus on the intraday structure and not look for a daily bias. What do you think about gold? Choppy as fuck, bro. Still choppy. Just see how we react off the daily fair value gap. If we react to bullish, aim for previous week high. If we inverse it, aim for previous week low. Pretty much simple as that. What's up, Vinyas? What's up, brother? For those trading gold, my opinion is it's in a range. So just wait for this daily fair value gap. If it supports price, then it's gonna probably take out this previous week high. You bullish on NQ? It's not too clear for me right now. I like the relative equal highs that are right here. So we're just watching those highs. For now, we'll just wait and see. This is the daily city. Let's mark out 50% of it. Bitcoin, my opinion on Bitcoin. It's so manipulated, I feel like. Those highs are too clean. It'll probably take out those highs. How much higher could it go? Could go to previous months. There's a huge imbalance right here. I'd look for my Bitcoin long from that huge imbalance if I had to. Let me see something here. From a rainbow, because when the sun shines, it will shine forever. All right, 9:30 open. What's my bias? It's not that clear right now. I wouldn't mind taking a short to the sell side, or at least to some form of 50%. Like, I'd be very surprised if we didn't get any move lower whatsoever. We'll mark this out as org 50. Like, yeah, I wouldn't mind taking a short. It doesn't necessarily mean I'm bearish, but I would not mind taking a short. And if we do get a reversal, it'll probably take low of day. But the thing is, I don't know if I could trust any move lower as a reversal. It could just be a retracement every time. And we already took the buy side there. We'll see what happens here. We're just gonna have to wait and see. You know, just one of those. One of those. I'll trade after NFP. If you're talking about Friday. Thursday, I will not be trading. Well, why do you think we dumped so much? I was waiting for that dump. What dump, bro? What dump you talking about? I don't see any dump. Look how high it gone. Yeah, it's okay, bro. Don't feel like you missed out or something. You know, there's opportunities every day, every week. What's up, Tavi? Tavi, just wait, brother. Just wait. SMT on both sides, no clear buys. Just wait. That's funny, Yoshi. NWAG would be great, but I don't know if it's gonna go all the way down there. That would be a very beautiful reversal, though. If we got our breaker block here, I could look for a move lower. Messages are there. I don't know. No, not TikTok. Those ones were on YouTube. I haven't read TikTok in a while. Someone said I think still bearish. Yeah, but just because we're above midnight doesn't mean we're bearish. That's not how that works. The way it works is you're bearish, and if we're above midnight, you have a nice premium short. You don't use midnight open for a bias. Every chart is so choppy. No, not every chart. All right. Drop a song. Nah, those gotta come naturally. Those gotta come naturally. So right now I'm looking to see, do we get immediate displacement lower, or does ES come up and take the buy side? We're almost at 50% of the daily bearish fair value gap as well. Red line is 50%. Okay, buy side has been taken on ES as well. Yeah, I would look for a short here. Even though I'm not necessarily bearish on the day, I think we can still get a good short here. Because if it's gonna go higher, I'd want to see it continue from at least somewhere here. Like I'd be very surprised if we don't take out this low. If we just go up, that would be very shocking to me. Very, very, in my opinion, manipulated. I would not expect that to happen. Well, my girl's gonna make pancakes today. Yeah, I'd call them equal lows. So it depends on the asset. I don't think we. Oh yeah, we took it by one tick here. I'd still look for it to be taken. It's not even the idea that they're equal lows. It's more just the idea that if we're just gonna go up at 9:30, well, good news is like I don't have a model for that anyways. That's my that's my inter that's my like shit model, you know, like mm, mm, it wouldn't be a big reaction. No, it could be like a nice wick on both sides, but nothing else major. Okay, we're locked in. Going to relax, watch the charts do its thing. Yeah, man, listen, always wait for your setup. Don't chase it. Don't be like, oh, if this happens, this is gonna do this, and oh, if we do this, then just wait. You know, I said, what did I say? I said I'm waiting for a breaker. If there's no breaker, I'm not even gonna look for anything. Like I'm not looking for anything else right now. I want to see high, low, higher, high, lower, low. I want to see a CSD right here, and then it'll also form the breaker. That's it. I'm not interested in any longs right now whatsoever because what would I even be aiming for? I don't even know. The high, maybe the high being balanced, sure, maybe. There's like nothing really, realistically. Previous week high I have labeled out. Yeah, we might get there this week. Doesn't necessarily mean today. So what am I even aiming for? My win loss ratio it depends on the month. I average around 50 to 60. Well, on bad months, sometimes I go down to 30. Good months, sometimes I go up to like 80. I'm not that consistent right now, so I need to work on avoiding some. What do you mean we hit previous week high? I'm saying we can hit previous week high, just necessarily not today. But like in terms of taking a long here, there's no clear drawn liquidity higher whatsoever for me. Nothing clear. If I were to take a long, I would probably just aim for the high of this imbalance. Like this daily fair value gap, I would just aim for the high of it. This probably as good as a target can get. So, are you trading macro? What do you mean macro? I am more in, yeah, I am more in profit than loss, but still I need to do some work, you know? You mean the week before last week? Yeah, the week before last week. 2 previous weeks high ago. The higher we're now, the higher RR I get if I end up taking a short. If it reverses. Yeah, I'd want to see a reaction from here, 50%. I wouldn't want to see like, but honestly, even this high get taken. This could be your high of session if we reverse. Possible. Yo, what's with it what's with these things, man? Like, they never form nicely. I want to see a big dump. Which platform to use? Right now I'm using Trade of 8 with my funded futures. It's not necessarily short buys. Like I think we can move lower. You think Monday's the worst day? On this NFP week, Monday will be the best day. Does he take trades? I'll take the trade live, yeah. If my model forms, you'll see me push the button, start trade funnel today. That's completely up to you. If you don't know the answer, then I wouldn't. Just take someone else's opinion. And I personally wouldn't. I'm trading my evals. This is gonna be the last week I'm on the evals. What is this? Appreciate you, TradeX. You in the right path, but I appreciate you. Do you ever have issues about getting banned? I've personally never been banned, so no. Yep, that's what CISD is. Can you explain CISD? It's just a way to determine a change in the deliveries, moving from buy side delivery to sell side delivery. Still no movement on here. I'm not interested in anything here. We just took out the SMT though, so that sucks. Oh, my Fibonacci, I got you, bro. The Fibonacci you're looking for is this one, the one I use. These are my settings for my distribution for Fibonacci. What are we thinking? I'm thinking I'm not interested in any longs right now. So yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. Market structure shift is a change in market structure, which is referring to the highs and lows. A CISD is change in delivery. So they indicate the same thing. It's just sometimes you don't actually have a swing high or a swing low that can be broken. Sometimes you just have buy side delivery like this. So then you can still navigate like a change in delivery. Can you check out gold? In my opinion, gold, if we inverse this, look for previous week low. We're already below it, so it will probably go to previous week low. We're stuck in a range in gold. Stuck in a range. It probably is gonna go lower. Entry idea, need to see a breaker or a CISD. That's my criteria. 10 a.m. power of 3. Am I expecting a 10 a.m. power of 3? I don't think your question makes sense, brother. There's always a 10 a.m. power of 3. So I don't understand what you mean. Power of 3 is just how the candle forms. How many trades you take a day? Usually 2 max. Sometimes 3. Yep, that's first presentation. The broker chart? What broker chart? This is NASDAQ. It's the same chart for everyone. If you're trading NASDAQ, it's the same chart for everyone. Rudy Gobert. You're looking for a bullish on there PO3 setup? I'm looking for a bearish PO3 setup. I'm not interested in any longs. Do I think it's gonna go lower? No, not necessarily right now, but if it shows me some displacement lower, then I think we can definitely move lower. So that's it, you know, pretty much neutral bias. Just waiting. Just waiting. Very premium, yes. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, it is a really good book. Someone said 2211. Let's mark this out with a black line and just remove this. This black line would be like my final objective if I was to take a long. I marked out a 5-minute fair value gap. And this looks like it's gonna go higher. I would never take this, but as a potential tape read, yeah, I mean they're not actually equal lows. It was a tick sweep on one tick, but they're pretty much relatively equal. I'd still say they're relatively equal. Do I think it will sell? I don't know. I don't know. This could just be manual intervention, and they just keep pumping this shit the rest of the day if they really wanted to. You know, it's just one of those. I'm not even gonna try and predict if I think it's being intervened. I'm not even gonna try and predict it. But if I start to see some more predictable signatures, that is liquidity taking out. Even this move lower, like just this wick alone, is taking out the majority of the liquidity. We have the rejection block, which is a lot of liquidity built under there, and then the swing low as well. We took out. So 100%, that was a run on liquidity without a doubt. You know, aggressive move down and then reverse. It's a run on liquidity. Classic. Very classic. Looks like we'll reach that level, the daily UBC high. And if I was gonna long, that's what I would have aimed for. Man, I don't think I would long and aim for a previous week high. Do I give signals? I don't know about that. I'll take the trade in front of people. I don't care. But it's up to you guys what you want to do. If it's 110, we did not take that signal. On NQ continuing contract, we did by one tick. I think 2 ticks. Couple ticks. Yeah, couple ticks. 3 ticks. Oh no, just 1 tick. Don't think we get that short today. NQ waves didn't take it. I would just rush in one direction. Yeah, intervention. I would view this as intervention. Thank you for the live. It helps so much. Appreciate you, bro. I longed overnight, made 8K. Nice, brother. Are you a 200K funded trader? No, but when I go for my top step accounts, usually I do around in total. Yeah, I guess it'll be around 200. So that's probably going for. If NQH did not sweep it, what do you use? I trade the continuing contract always. That's just what I do. The only reason is it's the one I've back tested, so I thought I would just keep it the same. I wouldn't bother looking at every single one and be like, oh, this one did. I wouldn't overthink it too much. What is that? NQ1. NQ1 is a continuing contract. This is the one you don't have to like update it every month. It's updated. It's the same. Nope. There's very slight differences sometimes. Very slight differences sometimes. Because it's just a different contract, you know. Yeah, you can trade NQ1. If we get a displacement now, it would make sense to displace lower now from this 4-hour premium fair value gap on ES. Please just dump. This price is doing this too much. You feel like you're wasting time with this? No, not at all, brother. 1000% bearish. I don't know about that, bro. Would the drop actually be considered manipulation? Yeah, it would be. It would be 100%. And then I would do something like this. That was just like the next phone call. You just paper contracts. Life was a lie. Did you go to ICT paid mentorship? No, I did not, brother. Just watched all his YouTube videos. To continuation day. Yeah, maybe. We've had no retracements into any imbalance. Oh, besides the 2-minute there. First presentation is still open, right? Where's first presentation? Oh, that's right there. No, we did touch it. I'm $300 away from blowing the express. Did you break rules, brother? If you're so someone said if we're bearish, like we want now with 10 EMP with replay. If we were bearish, I would expect us to go lower like right now. The max high I'd expect us to go is like here. So unless we do something like this, probably not going to be taking a short today. Just waiting. I'm waiting to see, are we going to get displacement lower? Or are we just going to keep going higher? What is that line? It's the high of the daily bullish fair value gap. So this part of the imbalance is still considered an efficient delivery on the daily chart. Good idea, Koala. This is manipulation. It's still expansion. It's still an expansion move. It's just in our context, it's a manipulation. A very early AMD setup. What's your risk reward? Minimum 2. I'd focus on the NASDAQ, Toby. Do you trade full time? I get this question asked so many times. I trade every day, but I don't make full time income. Did you get a trade? No. You'll see me if I take a trade. No. No trades yet. No trades yet. I didn't expect a massive drop. I see a monthly fair value gap with a potentially monthly power of 3, taking out the relative equal highs. What's your income from trading? I don't have consistent income. I get payouts when I do good. When I don't do good, I don't get payouts. We have an SMT here inside the 4-hour imbalance. Like on average? There is no average, bro. I don't know. It depends on the month. Some months 0, some months will be more. Do you think the CSE from the most time correlate? I've gotten 3 payouts so far. Do you think of the CSE from the most time correlated beat? Focus. Most of the times, most of the times, I would just look for an imbalance. I would look for a fair value gap to form. A fair value gap to form in your direction is probably one of the strongest things that can happen. Apex is nice. You get 20 counts, bro. I read. Listen, on the weekend, guys, I read all the rules for Apex to get a payout. Bro, it's fucking stupid, bro. There is so. I bet you there's so many rules that people do not even know about. Yeah, SMT is gone. There's so many rules that people don't even know about. Bro, I don't see how... Bro, did you know with Apex, if you request a payout and you get denied, you have to wait another 8 trading days? And you can barely request any money on Apex too. You can only request above your buffer. Like, what is that, bro? What the hell? Like, you deny me and you're like, oh, come back. I have to trade another 8 days? What the hell is that, man? Like, what? Why would I have to do that, bro? Like, bro, Apex has so many rules. If you get a payout on Apex, bro, I actually view you as very, like, disciplined. I don't know. Funny enough, I use Apex, My Fund and Futures, and Top Step. Top Step's my favorite. I only have one Apex account right now. I also read this rule with Apex that was like... I read this rule with Apex saying like, oh, if you lose 30% of your profits in one day, or if you lose 30% of your profits in one day, and what's it called? Even if it's like live, if you lose 30% of your profits in one day, then your account can get flagged and denied for payout. Like what? Bro, what? And if you show like you're trading different strategies, like it seems like you're doing randomness, they can also deny your payout. Like, come on, bro, that's some bullshit right there, bro. You literally have to be a robot. Like, come on, bro. They've added so many rules, it's ridiculous. They said like if you're trading and it doesn't seem like you're taking consistent trades, like you don't have if it's like you don't have like clear risk to reward, clear strategy, like clear money management, they will just view you as a gambler and they don't pay out gamblers. That's literally what it says. Now we're talking about Apex. Yeah, they want to see this best people can't get a payout. Yeah, no, but they're just I feel like they're asking for like an extreme amount. Yeah, you have to like video yourself like showing. No, we're talking about Apex. Another rule I saw with Apex, it was like for not a rule, but like for payouts. I would yeah, my fundamental is better. That's what I'm gonna do. I am honestly, I'm gonna just if I can get a payout on my Apex account, I'm gonna just get it and then dump it. So I think we'll hit 22,000. Right now, I'm looking at this level right here. See if we get there. Black line. I saw this rule on Apex, bro. They don't even let you request that much of a payout. Like, you know, if you get to 26,500, like if you have 50K account with Apex, if you get to 52,600, you can't even take a payout. You have to be above that number. So if you want to take a payout, you have to make at least 53,100, like 3,100, and you can only take out 500. Like what? Bro, what? Like you have to be above the buffer. You can only request payouts above the buffer. Like that's so stupid, bro. CFTC reverse. CFTC is one way of reversal, but just remember to zoom out higher time frame. I wouldn't trust anything here. I wouldn't trust anything here right now. Wouldn't trust it. Something like to me that's stupid, bro. So you're telling me like I made a document, or maybe I should post this document. I made a document. I'm not gonna lie, ChatGPT made it for me, but I made a document and I looked over all the rules for Apex. Bro, like look at this. Like your account balance has to be 2,600 after your payout. So that's just stupid in my opinion, bro. What the fuck did I get that 2,600 for? I don't like that. Like I should be able to manage it my own, you know? And they make it seem like they're doing it for you. But like shut up, bro. Like shut up. Some bullshit. Bro, no one listen. If you're a good trader, those rules aren't bad. Those rules are absolutely atrocious. Why would an account have live trailing drawdown? That's not even realistic, right? That's just not even realistic. No, being above the buffer. Listen, I'm all for being above the buffer to get a payout, but I don't see why you can only request payouts above the buffer. To me, that makes no sense. You should be able to pay out that money if you want to, in my opinion. But if they blow my account for me talking like this, bro, whatever, bro. I don't even care that much. Apex is not even worth it. Some people say they've been not paid out. I mean, no, listen. In my opinion, they're gonna pay you out 100% as long as you follow the rules. I feel like they just make it really hard. Live trading down the crazy thing I've never used a prop for that. Yeah, like that just doesn't make sense, bro. I don't have any top step accounts right now, guys. I'll be getting top step accounts second week of January. Yeah, after 3 payouts, then you're good, caddy. After 3 payouts, but I mean, like, good luck getting those 3. Good luck getting those 3. You have to be very consistent, and keep in mind, those rules were not always there. So a lot of people, what's your other source of income? I just do a bunch of things on the side, bro. I have a lot of money saved up as well. What platform is best time from Euro trading? I would use Top Step personally. I mean, yo, listen, Apex is still one of the best. Top Step, My Fund of Futures, and then Apex, number 3. For me personally, how many accounts have I passed? Probably like 10 or 15, 20 maybe. Why are you so nervous? What? I work for a basketball league. I sell things on the side. What platform is best? What do you mean nervous, bro? I've been waiting for a breaker this entire time. Now we're just choppy. I'm already iffy about trading today in general, so. Biggest mistake going for FTMO? For me, FTMO is number 2 for prop firms. Gatie, why are you so nervous? You didn't miss anything, bro. Not in my opinion. None of my models will be forming here. Take profit trader. My personal favorite for Forex is funded by traders. That's the one I use. Speaking of, we got the phase 2. Hopefully everything goes well. I'm looking for displacement lower. Breaker. Yeah, he's very nervous right now. That's funny. I trade prop firms. Are you profitable? Some months. Last month was good for me. I wait for a silver bullet. Sure, you can wait for a silver bullet. As long as you have a narrative bias or a narrative, at least a drawn liquidity. I use a 25K account with funded by traders. Highest payout, 2,000. Yes, ICT applies to Forex for sure, 100%. Overall, are we profitable? Last year, I was profitable over the entire year. I am live on YouTube as well. But, like, I don't know. Like, that's just the numbers. I don't really care about the numbers. Don't really care about the numbers. Why did it even fall 9:15? Bro, if this happened after 9:30, we could have potentially caught this long. I only traded 1 year, Speedy. I lost my funded account. Should I reset my funded account or start a new challenge? You can't reset your funded. So if you blew your funded, yeah, you're gonna have to get an eval again. You have to care. No, I'm saying, like, the numbers tell me from last year, if I look over every single month, I was net positive. Reason being was I had like 5 profitable months, and then like 2 losing months, and the rest of them were break even. So, and then I got my Top Step results. How much payouts in total? 3,000. When do you know how to de-risk? I don't de-risk. I risk the same amount per trade, every trade. Yes, funded by traders will pay you out, brother. And if you have any concerns, just message me on Discord. Or join my Discord. You can talk to the owner himself. I caught in Q buys from 35 this morning. My friend will cover around December. What is the silver bullet? I would watch my video on silver bullet if you want to learn. Yeah, maybe. Maybe Muffin Ninja. Tips on being disciplined, patient, and focus. Discipline, in my opinion, you build off the charts. No trades yet. If we don't move down, I'm not looking for anything. I'm not looking for shorts or longs. I would love to look for a short, but I don't think it's going to happen. I think this black line is going to be reached. Doesn't need to be. I think we can reach that black line. I wouldn't trust any SMT right now. Yep, there's instant funding on with funded by traders. If you have the money, it's worth it. And if you trust yourself, obviously. Is it funded by traders? It's funded by traders. Funded by traders. And with my discount code, it's pretty much the best pricing you'll find right now. But you're not gonna find better pricing for Forex. Well, Forex platforms are expensive, bro. Damn, like, why are they so expensive, bro? It's not clear. How much? I think my discount code is normally 20, but I think right now I have a 30. I asked for a little bit higher one for like a week because I know some people were buying accounts. So Richard, this looks like a double purge. This does not look like a double purge to me, bro. In my opinion, this looks like a fuck shorts. Fuck shorts model. Can we have gains check? Like workout gain, gym gains? Bro, give me 1 month and I'll post my gym gains, bro. Give me at least 1 month of being consistent. No News Monday. It is No News Monday, that is true. What's up, Toxic? Rate from 1 to 10, how accurate SMT? This is an SMT 100%. It's just on the 1 minute chart and it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. I don't think we're gonna really go lower, to be honest. I would just look to target this later on. I really don't know about short. Guys, if we were gonna get shorts, just think about it. Think about it for 1 second. Just zoom out. Do you really think we're gonna come lower from here? Like, probably not, man. How you disciplined in trading but not gym? I used to be really... It's not that I'm not disciplined in the gym, no. I usually am very disciplined. It's just, I was very busy for a certain, like, week or two. Don't worry about the red box. The black line is a daily CB high. No, I've never even really traded Apex, except this. I just got my first funded with Apex. Like my first time I actually went for one December. Like I got one funded. I only got the Apex funded so I could trade in December and January and keep going live and trading. That's pretty much the only reason. I didn't want to paper trade because then I know people would be like, "Oh, you're paper trading," and then they're gonna complain. Not that I care what you guys think, but it doesn't make a difference to me. I also thought it'd be good to build some discipline. At the end of the day, bro, if you can get a payout with Apex, then congratulations. Like you probably did really good. Will I update if FPT? If I get a payout with FPT, I will let you guys know. Yeah, I'll let you guys know if I blow my account. I'll let you guys know if I get a payout. I'm in a phase 2 right now. I'm in a phase 2. Pretty exciting, man. Forex is fun. Pretty exciting. Forex is fun. I'm looking at these longs from the monthly fair value gap on Euro. This is fucking awful. You got Apex payout every 10 days? Nice, bro. That's amazing. It's really good. My trader base says I won a trade, but trading you showing I just hit SL. Help? Did you hit SL or did you run the trade? No, I did not catch that big ad replacement candle. I don't even trade before 9:30. My final futures, no. For futures firms are just one thing, guys. We could look for a long from this 15-minute fair value gap. Apex rules are the harder in the industry. Yeah, I agree. I'm not necessarily saying they're a bad firm, right? I mean, at the end of the day, they need to make money, right? So obviously they're gonna make the rules like that. If you're gonna go with Apex, just make sure you read all the rules. Make sure you know exactly what you need to do. In my opinion, it's a little bit extreme, but hey, that's why they make the most money, right? So we get a protraction model here. If we get something like this, I'll go long. If we don't get it right now, in the next 2 minutes, I'll probably wait till 10:30. Koala, I wouldn't chase the short just because that's an entry model, Koala. Remember, that's an entry model. So first trading model, second entry model. You know wealth charts? I have no idea what that is, bro. But you're bearish? Okay, you're bearish, but what model has formed here for you? If you're looking for a 930 PO3 reversal, what does it say that the model needs to do? Toxic? Koala, can you answer that question for Toxic, bro? What did this guy just say, bro? Unicorn's an entry model. Toxic. My long target will be this black line, guys. I marked out this black line a while ago. 403 error. It means you probably did not pay the rebill for the account, brother. Double purge. Double purge is like a double manipulation. Take the buy side, fake people long, sell side, fake people short, and then run the highs aggressively because we engineered the liquidity already. So buy side, sell side, buy side, and then vice versa. This looks like fucking ass. Trading NASDAQ futures. Look how awful this man. This is why I posted in my Discord. Be very careful this January, man. This first week of January is no joke, guys. In my opinion, it's the worst price action all year. Maybe second to like last week of December. Oh, that wasn't even that dude. No, I did not take a trade. First week of December, like be cautious, bro. In the last 4 years, in my experience, in backtest, first week of January is awful. Bro, I have so many bots, man. It's freaking crazy. Turtle soup dump? Maybe. There is an SMT here. I like to see those as relative equal highs, though. Can we get to the 15? Yes, we can. We got the retracement leading up into the map. I don't like the timing of this trade idea. I don't like the timing of this trade idea. See if we can take the sell side here. What's up, Kevin? Appreciate you becoming a member, brother. Yo, do you guys think I should make something for my YouTube members? How much even is it to become a member? I think it's like $1, right? I think it's only $1. But I don't know what I can do. If the 15 inverses, yeah, I might actually short, to be honest. That would be a decent confirmation for me that we're probably going to get the 15-minute CISD and then take out the equal lows and probably midnight open. Do I think it's going to happen? No. Oh, it's $2? I mean, I don't know what I would do anyways, bro. I only did it. It's only $1, Zach. Someone said buy a funded account with it. It's only $1 or $2, my bad. I only did it because if I don't, there's this large exclamation mark that sits on my YouTube studio. And I always like to analyze my YouTube studio. And bro, I feel like I'm just OCD. Like I can't have that YouTube studio just staying there. I didn't even take out the minor sell side, man. Like that's it. We're just gonna test the 15 and go. Yeah, it's not too good. It did trade into an imbalance. Yeah, 15-minute bullish fair value gap just tapped in right here. I would have wanted to see it come a little bit lower, take out the sell side, because now we have relative equal lows, but we did take out the sell side there. Yeah, I'm most likely not going to. I mean, I'll wait for 1030, 1050. Again, I am on an eval, so I might need to start scalping this eval, to be honest, because I think it rebuilds on the 16th, so I have 10 days. 10 days. The 10 a.m. power of 3, we took buy side, sell side, maybe move higher. I can see that. Or just accumulation, manipulation, distribution, 10 a.m. power of 3. It's forming. I'll probably get more out of bag testing today than watching this shit. I mean, this is typical price action from AM session when you get something like this in London, right? If London just goes up, pre-market just goes up, well, then you know. Bias, bullish to this black line. If I get 18 Apex evals to test on for free with the bias, that would be insane, bro. And we took the equal highs there. Probably reached that black line. And there's no way we could have got in on this trade. There was no inversion. There's no entry model here for me. Nice protraction model aligning with 10 a.m. power of 3 and silver bullet idea. But it's no entry model whatsoever, man. Maybe the 30-second here has an inversion, but like I would have liked, like the trade I would have wanted would have been something like this. And at this point I would break even because we took the minor buy side. And I'll just leave it like this. Like, but we didn't get anywhere remotely near like a fill like that, so. Did you really zoom out and do that shit on a 30-second was not? Yeah, I'm sure there's something there. You could have taken it, but it is what it is. Yeah, in my opinion, we're gonna reach this black line, but my strategy is power of 3. PA so slow, rent's kind of you do. For real, bro. Start trading Cambodian session? What the fuck is Cambodia session, bro? I don't have consistent monthly income, brother. For whoever asked in TikTok. What will happen after it touches the black line? Nothing. It could go lower from there. In my opinion, that'll be the. I do explain 1030 power of 3. It's an intermediate power of 3. I might call it a day if we don't move next 15 minutes. Haha, nothing. It's just like my final target for a potential long. Like to me, there's nothing clear. There's no clear objective higher besides this black line, like the high and the imbalance. That's as clean as it's gonna get. That's as clean as it's gonna get. I would never take this, but you could genuinely take a trade just like this. Soup, turtle soup. I would never take this though, and I did not take this. Just for everyone who's watching, I'd be breaking rules. This is not one of my entry models, but this is a turtle soup entry model. If you were to take this, but how is it turtle soup? It's just like a 15-second turtle soup. Guys, he took it. He took it. Okay, but why would you take that? It's risky. I wouldn't take. Man, yeah, they're not real. And I don't think it's risky. I think it's a good like 70% chance it plays out. Those guys said he took it. That's funny as fuck. What about the NWOG? What about the NWOG? The one that's all the way down there? This is 100% a turtle soup. It's just on the lower time frame. You can't see it. But we're buying below the old low. It's a new model. No, I don't trade like this. Nice. Bro, nice. I didn't take this trade, guys. I wouldn't. No, I'm not in. I would never take this trade. I'd be breaking rules. I'm just outlining that even though I know it's going to go higher and I know this will probably play, I don't care because I'm not here to make money. I'm here to follow my rules. This is not one of my entry models, you know? It's not one of my entry models, so I don't care. I'm just outlining to you guys that I have a clear drawn liquidity, which is this black line. Let me mark this out so people stop asking what it is. Right? Came into a fair value gap. Gatie, normals, trade. Respect, appreciate you, Legit prop firm for Forex, in my opinion, funded by traders, brother. I am partnered with them, so obviously I am biased, but I use them myself. They have the best pricing. My discount code will give you the best pricing. I did not take that trade. Why is it not a good entry? It's not necessarily not a good entry. It depends if this is your model or not. Is this one of your entry models? Or were you saying, oh, this looks good right now, I'm just gonna take it? No, that's not how you trade. That's not how you trade. Yes, the Apex rule for 30% is only for PA accounts. What's your statistics on backtest? My last run was really good. It's like 70% win rate, averaging like 4R. I thought I got below 10 of his accounts Friday. You predicted it, but never entered it. Yeah, I mean the reason I would never enter this is because I'd be breaking rules, you know, and I'm not gonna break any rules. Yo, fatty brother, just message me on Discord and I'll help you out, bro. I'll even let you can talk to the owner if you want to. He's a really nice guy. I feel like he generally wants to meet every single one of his people, bro. But said he's not here to make money. Yeah, bro, I'm not here to make money. I'm here to follow my rules. That's it. You come here to make money, you're gonna lose money, bro. Which rules you didn't want to break? The reason this would be a rule break is because this is not one of my entry models. It's not one of my entry models. How is that a turtle soup? You're buying below an old low. Go to the 15-second or 5-second and you'll see a turtle soup. On the 1 minute, you're buying below the fair value gap low. So, I mean, realistically, you would be doing it like this, right? But if you just waited for the rejection or the inversion on the 5-second, you'll see it a lot cleaner. Someone said, why is this a rule break? It's not one of my entry models, you know? Just not one of my entry models. 70%. I mean, doing it in backtest is one thing, Thomas. Doing it live is another. But honestly, I think I can accomplish that if I'm being honest. I think this year I can accomplish that in many months. Who broke? Do you explain the entry model on YouTube? On the 15 people? People in chat think another man how to trade is wild. When can we see for turtle soup, man? The turtle soup is on the lower time frame, brother. Probably newer. I mean, this is your first stage accumulation. I mean, first stage, second stage, yeah. I mean, we're still distributing, in my opinion. This leg lower is your first stage accumulation. The second leg lower is your second stage, and we're still distributing. And if you look at the higher picture, we didn't even get the first stage on the 4-hour, just reversed. I guess this wick could be viewed as your first stage. Maybe a second stage coming up. If we're gonna take out the previous week high. I am monetized on YouTube, yeah, I make a little bit of money. The basic criteria for turtle soup depends on your model, brother. Are you the best young trader right now, up and coming? I don't know. I don't know, bro. Yeah, all my models are free access, bro. All yours. If I took the trade, it would have played out. But like I said, I would never take that trade. Yeah, sorry, bro. Sorry, Ash. I appreciate the revenue, though. Appreciate the 5 cents, bro. Project, can you teach me? I love to learn Forex. I'm 22 years old, brother. I think if you sure, take it. You can if you want, if that's how you trade. That's just not how I trade. I have very specific rules for my models. Very specific rules for my models. Very specific rules for my entries. I don't mess around with my rules. I really don't mess around. I'm very, very specific. I really like my trading system. I don't want to trade I don't want to change anything. So that's it. Doesn't mean I can't outline that this trade's probably going to work out, you know? Doesn't mean I'm going to take it. I'll win most improved player award this year. Appreciate you, bro. I hope so. If we get a breaker block here, there's a small chance that this is the high of the day. Daily BISCB high. That was my final objective for longs. Anything higher than this does not really make sense. You could look at this 50% of the wick. Yeah, I guess there's still room for potentially higher. Why is this not changing? What's going on? You could look at this wick. Whoa, what's going on? Things bugged. But like in terms of higher objectives, there's no more inefficiency. There's no more. Oh, that's why. There's no more inefficiency. There's no more liquidity except the resting previous week high. I don't think we're gonna get there today. So in my opinion, this could potentially be the high of the session, or close to the high of the session. Unless ES wants to also reach that black line level, then Um, Daily CB is bearish fair value gap. We're trading to 1 hour CB and OB. I don't see any hour or CB. Oh, you talk about here. We didn't touch the hourly order block, but we did touch the hourly CB. I mean, we're inside of a daily bearish. What are your entries that even have to have? Depends on the model. If I were to take this, I would have taken the inversion fair value gap right here for this specific model. This is my protraction model. This is where I'm waiting for retracement and then continuation. I need to see an inversion fair value gap right here. That's what I like to take on this specific model. Because we didn't get an inversion, I know there's one here on the lower time frame. If I really wanted to, I could have taken this fair value gap like this, but the risk reward is freaking awful, so I would never take this trade. I would just never take this trade. Unless I did something like this and then break even. That's just such a bad trade though. Like, yeah. That's why I didn't take the trade. I don't normally trade IFG. I only trade IFGs on that one very specific model. That's the only time you'll see me. I'm going without me. Let's return my live account. I'm choosing on it. Nice, bro. What's Euro doing? Sideways? This is NASDAQ futures. No, I graduated. I already have a degree, brother. I have a degree in exercise science. I wouldn't say 1050 reversal, but maybe deep retracement. Can you teach me how? Teach you how to what? Not really interested in Euro. I mean, you could short it maybe, yeah, if you wanted to. Yep, all that degree. I mean, I wouldn't say for nothing. At least I learned some good information about exercise and being healthy and stuff. To be a forex trader, I would start watching ICT on YouTube, brother. That's how you're gonna learn. Question: if you look at the daily move of turtle soup on 125, why would you take it? Why wouldn't we take it at 1226 high? 225. That's not really how the market works, bro. If you took this turtle soup entry and you held it until the high, it doesn't really make sense. What's up, Yusuf? I wouldn't do that, Ash. I mean, if you want to, I think it builds bad habits. I know, Koala, I know. It's so sad, bro. But to be honest, I think if I didn't do the, like, I might not have found it, like, can we short here? If we get a breaker, what should I watch? Inner Circle Trader on YouTube. Watch the 2022 mentorship. That's where I started. That's where I recommend you start. Yeah, I know, Koala. I do. Yeah, I can help you, bro. Japanese entry on the Cambodian model. Yeah, good shit, bro. You're the best, bro. I think we'll go up until the daily breaker. Possible. Classic Monday. Classic first week of January. Classic Monday shit too. Okay, I'm not a cook, Koala. I can tell you what's good to eat, what's bad to eat, how much to eat. I can't give you a fucking cooking plan, but I don't cook. My girl cooks. Inner Circle Trader gifted. Inner Circle Trader. A lot of kebab. I eat kebab, bro. I'm in a short. Shall I hold? Yeah, bro. I don't know about that, brother. It's not really barcode. It's just not that many clean entries. Even if you were bullish. All right, 10:30 is coming here. A lot of bubblegum news. That's funny, bro. I'll leave my dogs. Okay, that's weird. Is this crypto? This is NASDAQ futures. Holding long since 944. Was that a 2-minute fair value gap? Nice. You might even want to hold it to previous week's high, bro. It might not happen today, but I bet you will probably get there. Some point. Probably. 1 hour buy side? This? It's possible. Take care, Max. I trade on funded, but I'm not trading on my funded right now. I'll be trading on funded next week. Yeah, Nvidia took over Apple. That was a while ago, no? If we get aggressive displacement lower right now, I could maybe trust a short scalp here. 10:30 opens right there. This is your 10 a.m. candle low. Let's see. It would need to be aggressive. I don't know about that, Koala. First step would be this inversion. What's your win rate? Depends on the month. Last year I averaged like 50. Why short? Why do you think, bro? E plus short setup? No, I wouldn't say. I mean, there's no setup yet. My background color is F3, F3, F3. Okay, that's good displacement. I'll probably take a fair value gap here if we get it, depending how aggressive it forms. There's a 10-minute bullish fair value gap right there. Might have to wait for a retracement and an inversion. We didn't even get the CSD. You longs in London were beautiful? Yeah. Yeah, it was. Asking for the background color is glazed? How's that glazed, bro? I wouldn't enter off the CISD. I would at least need to see a CISD to even look for an entry. That's how I do it. You're down $3? On what, Koala? I trade Forex as well. I'm on a phase 2 right now with a Forex prop firm. I only recently started trading. Can I start with $1,000 and how much average would my loss be? Bro, how am I forcing shorts so hard? What? What have I done to force a short? I didn't even... Anyways, how much can I start with? I mean, you can start with 1,000, but I would just get a prop firm account. It just makes more sense. Just get a prop firm account. Yes, 7K is great, bro. Abe, nice profile picture, bro. Nice profile picture, bro. I was in bias for you guys 5 minutes ago. Opinion? I'm nice, but you caught a really good move. Mine $3 might go homeless. Nice. Short here, please. What is the best idea time to call it? I stopped trading at 11:10. After that 10:50 macro, if I don't find anything, I'm done. You're right. We haven't had any. Yeah, but no, I wouldn't trust the short unless we really got some displacement. I'm Eastern time. Yeah, this is gold. This is Nasdaq futures. How much you make per week? I don't know, bro. Why don't you trade PM session? I might trade PM session on my own. Yeah. Gifted, message me. Yeah, I don't know, bro. No, it's about 1 to 2 anyways. I'm a long 1016. Nice, bro. This is Nasdaq futures. Call it. Go start a GoFundMe. We'll keep you off the streets. Both line interesting. Let's see the upside. I need a short. No, I didn't take any trades yet. My model did not form today. Are you funded, bro? I'm only funded 50K right now with Apex. As soon as second week of January comes, I'm gonna buy, I think two or three Top Step accounts. Top Step's my main one. I don't really like Apex, but I have them right now, so. What conflicts do you look? Yes, I use Fundus. Yeah, I do. I normally do the Top Step copy trader. I only have one Apex account. I have a My Funded Futures account right now. That's the one I'll be trading today. It's an eval. I'm not trading my funded until next week. Not trading my funded until next week. You can see the CISD right there. Do we inverse the 10? It's a 50K My Funded Futures account. I'm trying to determine whether this is a retracement or reversal. If I can't figure that out, I won't take any trades. 1039 high. Pretty rare. Yeah, I like My Funded Futures. I don't think so. My target? I don't have any clear bias right now, honestly. Realistically, we're probably going to come take this high out. Unless... I need to see what happens here on the 5 if I'm going to get some clarity. I like Top Step's rule. I like their payout system. I like everything about Top Step. I like Top Step X. This looks like a 1030 PO3 to the upside. It doesn't really align. I'm in Canada, brother. How much you make per week? 0, bro. When I get a payout, I get paid. When I don't get a payout, I don't get paid. FTMO's not bad. They're my number 2. Personally, my personal opinion, they're number 2. Gonna get a bullish breaker here. Maybe. I am Eastern time zone. Can you explain the breaker block? No, but if you go on YouTube and you search it up, then you will learn. I have not tried Blusky Pro. I don't use FTMO. My Forex prop firm is funded by traders. No trades yet. No trades. Not really feeling this price action whatsoever. I'm GatieTrades on all platforms. This looks like it's gonna go higher, yeah. I don't feel comfortable going long. It's because it already went up so high. I haven't traded the Apex, Kiko. Haven't touched the Apex since December. There is no minimum on Top Step. What's up, Fofo? No, I'm Muslim. Change your name to GatieTrades. You think it's gonna go down to the hourly? I don't know about that. I'm Arabic. You're Turkish? No, I'm not Turkish. I respect you yet. No, I didn't take any trades yet. No trades. I'll probably wait for the 1050 macro. If something clear forms, it would need to be a protraction model because we're probably not going to reverse. Unless we come all the way down here and take out this low, and then somehow in 1050 we get something like this. Unless that happens, we'll have to wait for a retracement long. If I'm going to take a trade. You took the IPG at 915. Nice, bro. What futures prop firm you prefer? Top Step, My Funded Futures, Apex. I use all of them. Top Step's my favorite. Apex is not the worst out of the 3. It's not worst. You going short or long? I don't know, to be honest. Nothing clear yet. Where can I see your entry models? Are you related to Ali Gaddy? Yes, my brother. Where can I see your entry models? In my Discord. It's free. I've never traded options, no, but I do trade stocks. No, I haven't taken a trade yet. The person that A7 Medino said, what do you think about Bookmap? I think that's a waste of time personally, but others will disagree. Yeah, I know, Kiko. I'm pretty consistent with my Apex. Can I see the Sibi you marked? I marked the daily Sibi. This is the daily Sibi high. That's the key level I'm looking at right now. That's what I'm saying. It doesn't really make sense to go much higher, but it's not the right time for a reversal. So that's why I'm a little bit conflicted. Just kind of waiting and seeing. It would have already been like here by this time if it was gonna reverse. Your opinion on trading this week? In my opinion, this week is gonna be the most difficult week. You think me and you went to the same high school? That's funny, bro. This week is probably the most difficult week in my opinion. Looking at ES and NQ, both. NQ is my left chart, ES is my right chart. I always look at both. How old are you? I'm 22, brother. There's no discount codes with TopStep. What do you need ES for? I look for intermarket analysis because they're supposed to move the same. Am I on eval? Only trading eval this week. I'll be going back to fundeds next week. I want to see if we can inverse the 5-minute fair value gap. Or sorry, the 10-minute fair value gap. This week, why do you think this week is hard? Just back test. I do other things as well. Good shit, FX. Yeah, it is a really good strategy, bro. As long as you know where it's gonna go. I will drop par 5 probably this weekend, brother. Par 5 will be about the daily power of 3. Take loss stop. Are you gonna wait for it to come FG or cross it? I want to wait for it to inverse the fair value gap. Right now, I'm waiting for 1050. That's what I'm waiting for. So there's no point in me trying to predict where it's gonna go because I will not be taking a trade if it's outside this window. 1050 to 1110. That's what I'm waiting for. House up lots of copy trade through 5 accounts. You can do 5 150Ks, 5 50Ks. You can do 1 of each, 2 of each, as long as it's 5 accounts. Yeah. I don't know. There's a code. I don't think that code works anymore, Amro. To my knowledge, there's no TopStep codes right now. Shouldn't be trading today. You don't trade today, then, bro. You see, it's very short. Yeah, I'd have to see it inverse. I would need to be convinced that we're gonna take this low. If we're gonna take this low, that means lunch can probably send us lower. If we don't take this low, you have to pass all 5. Yeah, of course, fundeds. MFF. I have no idea about MFF to be honest. I just have one account with them. I bought it. I don't know why. I just did. What's up, Pytron? So if I made 2K through an account cover, should I make 10 bands? Yes. If you copy traded them. Could it go down from here? Yeah, it's possible. I mean, like I was saying, in my opinion, there isn't really any clear objective higher. It doesn't mean we're gonna go lower. It just means, in my opinion, there's no really clear objective. We already hit the daily Sibi high. If we're gonna go higher, next objective is previous week high. I don't know if we're gonna get there today. That would be a lot of movement for one Monday if we're gonna get here. So in my opinion, I don't know. I don't know if we can get. It's possible. It's kind of crazy though. Like if we're gonna get there and considering all that movement up. So if we hit the daily Sibi high, in my opinion, we could potentially just keep going sideways. Maybe retrace a little lower. Maybe reverse. No more clear objectives higher. What is gems? Gems is my model. How would we go lower if we already put in a weekly SMC at lows? I don't know. Liquidity. What's that you marked out with the line? I marked out the high of the daily bearish fair value gap. And my original bias was long to the daily fair value gap, but we already met it. We already met that objective pre-market. I like the relative equal lows here, but obviously if we're gonna inverse this, my objectives go to previous week high and probably all-time highs. Depends how today closes. If we get a really large wick, we can expect a reversal maybe. If we inverse the fair value gap, nope, there's no other macros. Every macro is XX50 to XX10 if you trade ICT. If you want to make up another macro, that's okay. Just no other macros taught by ICT. You're in a long. Good luck, brother. Check out Apple. It's up 1%. Do you enter live account trades on your phone? No, I trade on my computer. Gem, thanks for Gatie's execution morning strategy. See you tomorrow. Take care, Sour Van. Peace out, brother. Okay, we're 5 minutes from the macro. I just made up to 10:45 to 11:27, bro. That one's the best one, bro. What are all the macros for ICT? Every single hour. Every single hour. The last 10 minutes. And the next 10 minutes of the new hour. No, I didn't take any trades today, and I do trade Forex. I trade futures and Forex. Oh, yeah, this looks like over. Looks pretty much over, man. Yeah, really mid PA, bro. I did not take any trades today, no. All-time highs by February? Yeah, it's possible. It's definitely possible. I didn't get any payouts in December, no. I went up on a funded a little bit, but that's it. Me personally, I got all-time highs by February. Yeah, possible for sure. I should be putting SMT. Cibi's a bearish fair value gap. No, you don't pay 150 every month. You pay 150 once to activate your account, and that's it. Euro USD. I think it's possible we get a really big long on Euro USD. Biggest trade I ever taken was 2,000. What is Gems? Gems is my strategy. No trades today, Morgan. All right, it's pretty much it here. Let's see if we could dump strong displacement lower. If so, which platform did you just mention? For Forex? Pipsqueak FEG is crazy, bro. See you tomorrow, Donald. See you tomorrow, brother. Yep, we'll be live every day this week, guys. 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Come watch me follow my rules, hopefully. Yeah, I mean, even then, though, I would be probably breaking a rule. None of my models align with this short. So, like, I don't think we're going to reverse. We're obviously not going to reverse. I mean, come on. We're not reversing this price action. That'd be very, very, very surprising if we reversed. So, I'd have to look for a long. And for me to look for a long, we'd have to retrace into a fair value gap or sell side, which we already did. We did not give a good entry, so it's probably over for me, guys. Probably over for me. Let's clear up the charts. Set the chart up for tomorrow. So we had no retracement today whatsoever. It might happen tomorrow. I did not take any trades today. Yeah, ES is close as well. ES is close to that level. So I think it'll probably get there. I will set up my charts for tomorrow. I might trade PM session, but I will not do it live. If we get a nice retracement, maybe I can look for a long. All-time highs again would suck, but it is what it is. What's the best prop firm? I would use TopStep in my personal opinion. When does PM session start? It starts at 1:30 or 13:30. Why did you mark up that daily SS? What daily SS? No trades today. No trades today for me, brother. Bearish SMT forming. I would not trust any SMT in my opinion. I'm just gonna annotate this for my journal. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You have a learning scenario video? I have no idea what that means, brother. Why wouldn't you trust SMT? Because I don't think we're gonna reverse. Any move lower is probably gonna get undone. I could not trust any reversal. It's simply not a good time for price to reverse. I guess it's possible lunch just goes lower, but that would be pretty unpredictable in my opinion. Low probability, I agree. Can you show your non-ion template? Oh, my Notion template. My Notion template's in my Discord, but if you send me a message, I'll send you my Discord. I mean, I'll send you my Notion template. I have 3 templates. Actually, I have 4. Bro, you record no trades today? No trades for me. Are you Palestinian? No, I'm Iraqi. Took that turtle soup around 10. Nice. Yeah, it's not a bad. You could have taken a long here. I also looked for a long here, but I didn't. I wanted to see at least a fair value gap or an inversion or something, so I could not take a long there. Can you explain that setup real quick? This one right here? It's just simple. I mean, very bullish order flow. We retraced inside the macro, right? I don't have a course, brother. I post my model and everything on YouTube. You should just watch my YouTube videos. If you want to learn from me personally, then go on my YouTube. You know, that's just I teach how I trade. Where did you learn this? Everything I learned was from Inner Circle Trader on YouTube and probably 1,000 hours in backtest. Not only the 15 lower time for the yeah, that's okay, bro. No trades today for me, guys. No trades today for me. I'm glad I didn't take a trade today. My model did not form. You have a job? Not really. Like I work for a basketball league every now and then. I watch college basketball. Work college basketball. Two longs at 9:26. Nice, bro. Yeah, if you caught the pre-market longs, that's really good. I knew today would be choppy. I'm expecting this all week. I've already said it in my Discord. I'm expecting difficult stuff like this all week. So I will be ready for this all week, you know? Next week, I'll be on my funded and I'll go back to Top Step. For now, we're sticking with Apex and my funded futures and evals. And February price back because I'm backing so far. It's a shit month. February is not too bad in my opinion. Why this week? This is the first week of January. What do I think about shorts right now? Gamble. There's no clear drawn liquidity. It would be a scalp at best. How long to learn? Depends how much you put in, bro. Is price action good strategy? That does not make any sense. Are you done for the day? I'm done for live stream. I might look to trade PM session on my own after. If I feel like taking an eval trade. Put in time or money? Time. How long until you became profitable? I got my first payout after 4 months, but I still have a long journey to go. I don't know if that helps. Dragon, I like what you just sent me, bro. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna check it out when I'm free, okay? You still on mentoring? What do you mean mentoring? Me? Or like watching ICT? FTMO is legit, but they're my number 2 personally. My favorite Forex is funded by traders. That's what I use. You have a class 5. I have a group of students who I teach gems to, yeah. What's the wildest comments you've gotten on TikTok Live? I can't even tell you about. Some crazy shit. PM session starts at 1:30 or 13:30. No, I do not only trade inside the macro, but sometimes I do only wait. Sometimes I'll say I'm just going to wait for the macro. Your best setups will form inside the macro. Outside be forever. I mean, they're making really good money, so I don't see why they would stop. I guess unless they made so much money that they just want to close. I watched every single ICT video, brother. Most of them multiple times. Do you use 15 seconds for entry? When I'm on my top step accounts, I have one entry model where I use 15-second charts. I haven't done that in a couple months because I haven't been on Top Step. But when I go back to Top Step, I will be back on the 15-second only for one specific entry model. I don't use it all the time. Just one of my entry models. When people say it took them years to do them, include learning phase 2. In my opinion, bro, if it took people years, it's because they just didn't know how to do it properly, bro. How do you deal with trailing drawdown on eval? Risk less, have a fixed ratio to TP. I would just TP at 2 or 3R every time. Is there people who trade all day? Probably not successful traders, bro. I don't know how someone mentally could do good staring at the charts all day. Like, I would lose my mind. Tell us how to do it properly. You need to learn from one place or person. That you don't want to be confused. Because at the end of the day, most of your people you're gonna learn from yourself the most at the end of the day. You're not gonna become profitable because someone else, you're gonna become profitable because yourself. But you need to learn from one person. That messed me up. I learned from multiple sources on the internet and it screwed me up. One person learn from, I would recommend ICT or some ICT mentor who's gonna teach you ICT. As far as enough, sure, bro. Whatever as much as you can put in. I would learn from one person and I would start journaling right away. I would learn the right way, do the right things. I've never paid for a mentorship, no. How's Casper? I think Casper's mentorship's like 10K, bro. So, I mean, is he a good trader? Probably he's a good trader. Is his mentorship good? I don't know. What I will say is he teaches a lot of ICT concepts incorrectly. Can you start with 500? Yes. You can start with, I guess the minimum you can start with is 200 USD. How would you be journaling? I would start journaling every single day. Exactly, Kiko. I did that. What's your opinion on people calling ICT a fraud? I don't really care what they call him, bro. Casper trades evals and said that it's a live account. I mean, I know he's been known to scam. Use Notion, boys. Is 3 hours a day is enough? Sure, bro. Well, the most you can do. There is no enough or not enough. It's whatever the most you can do is. Where can I start with 200? Top step. $50 for an eval, and then $150 to pass. You now have a funded account, get a payout, and you'll never need to invest any more money yourself anymore. That's assuming you pass. Romeo CRT is the fucking scam shit, bro. That shit is so scammy, bro. While investing our lives in this market without any guarantee. Yeah, I don't know about you, bro, but to me, this shit's guaranteed. Eval. Yep, it's called prop firm accounts, brother. Martin, if I were you, brother, if you don't know about prop firms, I would go on YouTube and just search up prop firm trading futures on YouTube. I have not taken a trade today. If you get funded on top side, you still pay monthly. Once you're funded, you do not pay monthly. No more monthly payments. Just one-time fee, brother. Once you're funded. I do use TopStep X. How is this guaranteed if no one is making money? I'm not trading right now. No, I'm done. How do I know when to purchase an eval? What I would do is demo trade. Once you can pass an evaluation account on demo, then you're ready. You just got to do the same thing. I've watched every ICT video, busted. How do you do risk management? I risk the same amount per trade. Every dollar value, same amount. How much have you saved up, bro? And how much would you roughly spend on firms? I'd probably spend around 1,000 on prop firms. Maybe a little more. TopStep is trailing based. TopStep is no live trailing drawdown. What demo account app? I use TradingView demo. TopStep will trail you, but not live. How do you risk? I risk 10% of my drawdown on every trade. So of the drawdown, not the account. Not 10% of the account, of the drawdown. So if I have 2,000 drawdown, I risk 200 per trade. That'll give me 10 trades. I probably will not lose 10 trades in a row. I probably won't go 10 and 20. Well, if I went 10 and 20, that'd be good, actually. I wouldn't be like net 10. Like, I won't win 3, lose 10. Or 13. What do you do? What do you do? It will trade, but not live. You just keep trading. What do you mean? If you lose, yeah, the drawdown's going to slowly get closer and closer. But you just got to keep risking the same amount. Don't decrease your risk or increase your risk on a prop firm. On the prop firm account. It's really going to mess you up. You want to make sure that you're winning more than you're losing and losing less than you're winning. Losing less. Yeah. You risk 0.5%. Pretty much it ends up becoming 0.5, yes? But I risk 10% of my drawdown. Whatever my drawdown is, I risk 10%. Profitable means you're paying bills from it. Says who, bro? What would you do if you're on a $1,500 PA account? How much drawdown do you have on the account, Clips? 1,500? Yep, I'd watch 2022 mentorship. If your drawdown is 1,500, I would risk 150 per trade. Every single trade, 150 per trade. I would just keep doing that. Even if you're one trade away from losing it, or 2 trades, I would still risk 150. You got to trust yourself. That's my number, though, because I know I'm probably not going to lose 10 in a row. So I'm happy to risk that number over and over and over and over again until I get my goal. If you need a little bit more room, make the number a little bit less. Every business that can't pay for payroll is not profitable. Your salary is payroll. Broker, because it works for me, is concepts or they buys and I make quite a bit of money from trading them. I don't know why you guys say ICT can't prove that he's made money. He's definitely proved that he's made money. He's definitely proved that he can take live trades and win. I'll probably trade PM maybe after, but on my own. You count wicks as high. Yes. The wick counts. Are you gonna trade today? Maybe in PM session, but not anymore. I won't be trading this morning session. Why can't he do good in the Robins? I don't know, bro. Maybe he just fumbled the bag. If I had to guess, bro, he probably just over-risked like 2-3 trades in a row and blew his account like that. I wouldn't say he lost like 15 in a row and then just blew the account. Like, he probably just over-leveraged because he was trying to make insane gains. I'm just guessing, though. I don't know what fucking happened, bro. Maybe he fucking lost a bunch of trades, bro. I don't know. But I think what people don't understand is like when Larry Williams got 13,000%, do you guys think he was risking 1% every time? Hell no, bro. He pretty much risked his entire account in a couple of trades and got in crazy wins, and he just kept doing that. Like, yeah, did you guys know that when Larry Williams made 13,000%, he also lost like 1 mil in 1 month. Did you guys know that? He lost $1 million on that account in 1 month. So like, bro, obviously he's gonna fucking risk, like, if you're gonna try to make that much money in 1 year, yeah, you're gonna over leverage your account. Of course, you're not gonna make freaking $1 million from 10K without over leveraging. So no, I did not take any trades today, blood. Does IC counterparts on Bitcoin? I've seen them work, but I don't trade Bitcoin. What's up, Ratty? I don't think that's cheating. Trading futures. That's not cheating if it's allowed. I've watched ICT take trades live. I know. If you guys watch 2023 mentorship, I think 2022 as well. He's taking live trades many times. Very nice, clean trades. Yeah, I think he's a good trader, man. He also recently showed his statements with AMP futures. I don't know if people are going to trust that. I don't know if it's fake or not. But if you go look at his most recent YouTube video, he showed statements from AMP futures. People say profitable trader, but they're talking about gross profit but not paying their bills. What if you don't have any bills trading futures? Does Top Step trail your balance as equity during an ongoing position or just count on closed trades? Just closed trades. End of day. End of day, Hodge. It goes by end of day. Thank you. Appreciate you, Roddy. You too, brother. If you have one model thrust, what is? Every person has bills. I'm only funded 50K right now with Apex. I'll go for more funded accounts. You can't exist without bills. That's not true, bro. Some people are younger and they don't have any bills. They just live off their parents or their parents' house. Is one money too much? In my opinion, yes. For me, it is. I would probably blow my account if I continually traded one mini. Unless I got lucky at the beginning and had a nice win streak to start. I risk $200 per 50K account per trade. When does Apex move you to live? After you do really good. Why not switch to TopStep? Yep, TopStep's my main one. After the first week of January, I'll be going to TopStep. Yeah, 150K, one mini should be good. But I would... What's your model? I trade power of 3. Is that like 1 to 5 micros? It's never really 1. Usually it's gonna be like 2 to 7. Apex is live. Apex is live position. Apex is live position. Yeah, your contracts depend on your stop loss. Thank you, user. When do you think PA will be good? Second week of January, it should start to be a little bit better for me personally. Guys, it's not about how many contracts. It depends on how many points your stop loss is. Sometimes one micro will be $10 risk. Sometimes one micro will be $100 risk. You can't go based on number of contracts. I did not take a trade today, no. Do you have losing days and how do you deal with it? Bro, of course I have losing days, bro. I have losing months. How do I deal with it? Honestly, at first I didn't deal with it good. But now, it doesn't really bother me, to be honest. How many phases does TopStep have? Only one phase. And you need 2 days for to pass. That's it. 2 days minimum. I have losing lives. I'm sorry about it. That sounds funny. Are we just waiting for manipulation? No, I'm just answering questions. I'm about to go eat breakfast. Which broker? I use Tradeovate with my fund of futures, Apex, and I use TopStep X. What about Apex? Can I pass in 1 day? Yep, Apex you can pass in 1 day. I only have 2 days to pass? No, minimum 2 days. You have unlimited time to pass. What should be ideal stop loss in points? Ugh. I should make a fucking video on this. I put my stop loss wherever it invalidates my trade. So whatever that number is, I then calculate how many contracts is going to make me close to $200 risk. That's how I do it. You can't just put your stop loss at 20 points every time. That's not going to work every time. Sometimes you're going to get stopped out and then it's going to play out in your favor because your stop loss made no sense. I'm not in any trades. I did not take any trades today. My model did not form. That's all. December was break even for me. General also started August. I don't know what's that. Call. I don't know why you went short, bro. That was a gamble. Manipulation once I reached to 15. Only 2 days to pass. Minimum 2 days on TopStep. It's not a reversal model. It's not even in the time window, Koala. About to start a TopStep account tomorrow. Any advice from me? Just follow your model. Journal every single trade, every single day. And good luck, brother. What's up, Alez? How's your day good, bro? I didn't take any trades today. A plus left setup. In my opinion, there's no A plus setups this far in premium. What's this percentage to pass TopStep phase? You need to make 3,000. So I don't know what percentage that is, bro. $3,000. Bro, I got a question. People think you to go to honey. I said, nah, but my bias was bearish. And what? If you're bearish, and ES did not take the high, ES will be the weaker asset, Dragon. What you trade now? Breakfast. I'm gonna go eat breakfast, bro. What's your bias for PM session? I won't know until 1:30, brother. There's still 2 hours and 30 minutes of data that's gonna form on this chart for me to analyze. Are you gonna finish 2024 mentorship PDF? No, I'm done with that, bro. I got better shit to do, to be honest. The first 21 episodes are the most important, in my opinion. 3K on 50K account? Yes. $3,000, 6%. So 6%. You gotta make 6% on Top Step. Take trade on yes. I hope it's lunch reversal. That would be great. Dragon, you can take the trade on NQ. Just remember that your TP is going to be based on ES, because ES is going to be leading. Nasdaq will be following ES, if that makes sense. You should edge before you trade. It helps. That's weird as fuck, bro. How is it possible entire day goes by? How is it possible entire day goes by and no trades? That means we aren't reading the market right. First of all, let's not say we. Second of all, if you think you're going to trade every single day, you're probably going to take a lot of losses that are unnecessary. You know? I drive an old Lexus, 2008 Lexus IS. How many trades you take in a week? Maximum will be 10. But usually it's not 10. Usually it'll be like 5, maybe 3, 7. Depends if I take 2 trades. If you take losses, you're not reading the market right now. Yeah, but the market's not always going to be easy to read. The market's not always going to do what you're going to want it to do, right? It's not always going to form the setup you want it to form. No, I'm not looking tough. You're just answering questions. If you try to take a trade every day, that just means you're probably chasing the market, you know? My strategy isn't read the market and do what I think is going to happen. That's not my strategy. My strategy is, if I have a bullish, strong liquidity, I look for a 930 PO3 reversal or protraction, and then I look for my criteria, and then if that happens, I look for my entry model, and so far. Yeah, bro, it's fucking up, what, 3% or $3? 5%? What the fuck, bro? Oh my god, it pumped so much from the open. Damn, bro, nice. Yeah, holy shit, that could have been an insane trade. I never took it, but that could have been insane. I guess the daily fair value got upheld. But like, I don't know if I could take something like this, bro. You took the volume imbalance. No, I didn't long. Yeah, I don't know. I probably would not have put a stop loss on this position. $16 position, 10. That could have been like 300, $600. No, I didn't take any trades. To be honest, I wasn't really bullish on Nasdaq, so that's why I didn't take any trades. Don't spend it all in one place. What are you talking about? Oh, the roses. Oh shit, everyone's sending roses. I don't know what those roses do, bro. I don't know. People always be sending roses. You can do either one of one. They both work. Well, what happens if the market gives you an A plus setup for the rest of the week? That's great, bro. What do you mean? Oh, 2 cents. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. Steph trades. I don't know. I don't know much about him, bro. I feel like his content's kind of cringe, but maybe he's a good trader. Probably a good trader. I don't know. It seems like he's making money. When the video drops, I'll move it in queue. Yeah, I mean, it looks like Nasdaq, bro. It looks like Nasdaq is following the video, bro, not the other way around. Fucking dead ass. The most truth shit. Like Nvidia is fucking leading this market so hard, bro. Should we trade every day if our setup got confirmed? If your model is there, then take the trade. You think he's profitable or just selling courses? I have no idea, bro. I couldn't say. What do I think about TJR trading route? I don't know what the fuck. Oh, no. I would not do that personally. No trades for me. Figuring out the algo is the real goal. You're not going to be able to figure out the algo, bro. But you can pick up on little signatures here and there and find your piece of the pie, you know? Just got to find your piece of the pie. And that's it. Oh, man, did I? I cleared the chart that out. Oh wait, it's right here. Nice. No, I have not seen any reports. Yep, take care, Dragon. I'm also gonna probably leave soon as well. Just toss up a maximum. No, there's no maximum amount you can make. Make as much as you want. Why don't we try to figure it out? I don't think it's possible. Why don't we try to figure out the algo? I don't think it's possible. I don't think it's possible. And you also need to keep in mind that not every day is algorithmic delivery. A lot of the time it's intervened, so it wouldn't even make sense to. So I can ask the little questions. Sure, bro. Join my Discord, and you can also just message me. Make AMD PDF are so good. Wish I joined your channel earlier when I started. Appreciate you, bro. If you have any questions, let me know. What are you trading right now? I think ICT was definitely trolling about the kidnapping, but I mean, who knows? Reason for all this chop? I'm gonna show you. London expansion, pre-market expansion, accumulated in pre-market into New York, and then New York expansion. The market's not gonna expand. It's gonna consolidate, of course. It's so painful. Why, bro? Go enjoy the rest of the day. Go enjoy the rest of the day. When they turn off the algo, probably futures. I mean, I don't know if they turn it off. I think they just intervene. Can you show your kill zones? This is my settings. You trading any more forex this week? I'm looking for a potential long on euro. If it forms on the daily chart, I'll take it. Looking for a daily order block to form. My kill zone right here. Bond the first presented 5-minute. Nice, bro. Yeah, it would have played out. Nice. Nope, I did not take any trades today. My opinion about you, he's the best analyzer, but the worst trader. I wouldn't say worst trader. I don't think you've seen him trade live. That's probably why. Nope, no trades today. PM session starts at 1:30. Yep, Discord's in the bio. All right, boys. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go eat breakfast. If I take a trade in the PM session, I'll post it in the Discord. But I won't trade live. Nope, we did not take any trades today. What do you do after trading? Do you go back to charts? Most of the time, I just go enjoy the rest of my day, bro. I don't like to stay on the charts. I don't like to stay on the charts. I'll backtest maybe later in the day if I'm working on something. Right now, I'm working on something, so I'll probably backtest 1 or 2 weeks today. But besides that, I usually just meet with my students, help anyone out in my Discord who needs help, and just enjoy the rest of my day. All right, brothers. I appreciate everyone coming through. I'll be live tomorrow, exact same time. I will see you guys live tomorrow. Peace. See you tomorrow, brother.